steak, shrimp, and chicken Alfredo, alright?
Okay.
So first you want your steak. Everything here is already pre-marinated, so, you know, don't expect me to season anything right now, because I'm not. So this is my little steak. My pan is already hot.
That's good, right?
A little bit of liquid butter, you know. Add some onions, red onions, you know. Garlic, a little bit of cilantro. Oh, you know, let it pop a little. Oh, see that? Yeah, I'm gonna add a little black pepper.
Good, good.
You know, let it rain, let it drip.
Wow.
You know? There you go. Flame, you know. A little bit more butter. So it doesn't stick. Oh, we got steak falling all over the place. Alright, so guys, this is what we do, you know, when we're like not busy. We make food. And when we're busy, we make more food, you know. So I'm gonna add a little shrimpy.
Can I have some?
Oh yeah. Shrimpy. Add a little bacon. We're adding everything to it, you know. Everything. When I say everything, I'm gonna pepperoni.
Oh.
I'm going out loud today, you know. I wasn't expecting that. Oh no, I know. I'm full of surprises. We got the good Jamaican jerk seasoning. Give it a little spice, jerk flavor. You know? And guess what we're gonna do now? You already know.
Oh.
We're gonna have to add a little white wine.
This is for Jimbo.
Hey Jimbo, this one's for you, buddy. A little white wine. So, you know? Bring the flavor out. Add a little mushroom.
I was gonna have some, but now I'm not.
Well, you're gonna eat it, buddy. Alright. Alright, so now we got some heavy cream. You know, add a little heavy cream to it.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, not too much, maybe a half an ounce of heavy cream. And you already know I gotta add some more black man. Let it, you know, let it drip. Make it rain, baby.
I think I'm the worst camera guy ever.
Hey, you're doing a hell of a job, buddy. This is what we do, man. We just have fun, you know, when we're not busy. Add some shell pasta. I don't know if that's the correct name, but you know, we're adding
It's pasta.
it's pasta, you know. A little bit of Parmesan cheese.
Oh yeah. Oh,
It looks good, right? And in a minute, we're gonna plate that baby up. Give it a minute or two.
that is delicious.
Delicious, right? Oh. Oh, God. Whew. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Delicious. How do you do that?
I just make shit up, bro, like off the top of my head. That's all. Now, put my gloves back on, you know. If it's not thick enough, you want to add some more cheese or whatever. You want to get it extra thick, you know. Yeah. Alright. Now, we're about to plate the sucker.
Let me see that. Let me see that.
Oh, you see?
I see it. I see it.
Ooh.
Oh, goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
You have your steak, your pepperoni,
Everything.
your shrimp,
Everything.
everything.
I'm gonna eat
And we're gonna add some. We're gonna add to it, Alex. Some
tomatoes.
tomatoes, tomato,
Oh,
a little bit of cilantro, parsley,
that is the icing on the cake.
icing on the cake, baby. Make sure it's not dirty around the edges, and we're good, folks. But once again, thanks for watching Keegan's Kitchen. I'm out. Enjoy, baby.